Bengaluru is giving local musicians a brand new stage. In a first-of-its-kind initiative, Unboxing BLR, a not-for-profit platform focused on culture and city building, launched the music scene Bengaluru's first formally recognized city-wide busking program at One Sobha on Church Street on July 24, 2026. The initiative aims to provide a dedicated public platform for original and independent artists to showcase their talent. The initiative introduced a free, structured, formal and non-commercial platform for local musicians to perform original and independent music in public spaces. Organizers announced that busking sessions will be held every Saturday from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at One Sobha, which was chosen because of its strategic location on Church Street. Busking, an internationally recognized form of public performance, has now received its first formal platform in Bengaluru. According to the organizers, the initiative aims to provide emerging musicians with a democratic stage, activate public spaces, and enhance the city's everyday cultural experience. Each Saturday, 5 to 10 artists will perform, with each act receiving up to 20 minutes on stage. Audiences can support performers through a QR code-based UPI tipping system, with 100% of the tips going directly to the artists and zero commission deducted by the platform. Applications have been opened for singers, bands, instrumentalists, rappers, and solo performers. The organizers said the selection process is completely anonymous, with artists evaluated based on the quality and originality of their music, their ability to perform live, and how well they connect with Bengaluru's audience rather than their popularity on social media following. The focus, they said, is on discovering genuine talent. The launch at One Sobha marks the first phase of the project, with plans to expand to another central location after the monsoon. Outstanding performers will receive opportunities to perform at exclusive venues, popular clubs, and BLR Hubba in January, along with free access to recording studios and a chance to sign with a global recording label. Unboxing BLR, founded in the year 2023, leads initiatives such as BLR Hubba, Namma Bengaluru Challenge, VR City, Code to Culture, and Project Bloom Avenue. The organization is also partnering with the Department of Information Technology, Biotechnology, and the Department of Electronics to develop India's first Museum of Innovation, Startup and Technology in Bengaluru.
Praveen Alva from Tulu folk rock band Alvakuto. Yeah, that's awesome. I have my whole music scene started from open mics, and Bangalore has been a good kind of incubator for these ideas of open mics, people with talents coming to a place, and there is always an audience, and that culture is very much Bangalore, and that through this is putting forth, and that is getting reinforced, and government initiative, bigger brands like Sobha coming to this, great signs I feel. Yeah, I think the possibilities are open. Bangalore is an open crowd. We just need to find platform spaces for these things to happen. I think doing it in different parts of Bangalore is a great idea, so that we can tap into things and maybe run it like a short 3 months pilot, and then probably get together, understand. And I feel Bangalore, we can take this idea anywhere, and there are good mall spaces which is available openly, and there's crowd looking for on weekends to get a real experience rather than the thing on the phone. And I think it's a great idea.
I think it's a really important thing that's there in Bangalore now, because I've grown up in Bangalore and I've never heard of something like this going on much. But music's a really important part of daily life, and I think it's there. It's something that's there in everyone's heart, and what do you say? It's to have a platform where we can all come together and just come together as a community and just listen to it and everything. I think that's really important, and it's a really good thing that Unboxing BLR is doing.
We are kicking off Busking, where independent artists, emerging artists, we are just sort of getting discovered. This is a platform to discover new artists in the city. So on Ed Sheeran, what I've heard is all the permissions were not taken. Here, this is with permissions, with approval, all the procedures in place. The intention is to build a democratized platform for emerging artists in the city to perform, to find a place where they can showcase their talent, and also over time bubble up good musicians, good artists, good performers in the city. Help them get recognized, help them get perform more venues to perform. And of course, alongside, this will make our public spaces more vibrant, more alive, which is exactly what you see today. Yeah, this is the first phase. Every Saturday at One Sobha, between 5 to 8, we will repeat every time, and the response from everybody has been enormous. We've been overwhelmed with the support, with the kind of applications we have come. And as I said, this is phase one. We will learn, we'll get better. Your feedbacks are important. Keep them coming and show us some love. And we are just getting started. All the donations that come here for the artist will go directly to the artist. No commission, no nothing. Right? And that's what is beautiful about busking, that you as a listener can directly contribute to an artist if you like them, and it goes to them. And we are just a facilitator to make it happen.